Welcome to Spitalfields Residence, a luxurious student housing facility situated in the heart of London. Offering a variety of shared and studio apartments, this accommodation caters to all student needs. The rooms are spacious and feature large windows, ensuring a comfortable stay. The cozy beds provide warmth during chilly winter days, and the well-equipped study desks are ideal for completing assignments with complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi. Ample storage space is available in the capacious wardrobes. In terms of shared amenities, the residence boasts an equipped gym, karaoke room, cinema, and convenient laundry facilities. Moreover, conveniently located within walking distance of Coventry University and Middlesex University, the accommodation buzzes with youthful energy. Numerous cafes such as 222 Coffee Farringdon Station and Black Sheep Coffee, where you can enjoy a cup of coffee, all are nearby. Additionally, restaurants like Daddy Donkey Mexican Grill and Musion offer delicious dining options, which are also located within walking distance. For weekend plans, you can explore popular destinations like the Sky Garden or the London Canal Museum. Conveniently, buses from the nearby British Museum Stop OA bus stop can take you to these attractions. Your dream destination awaits you at Spitalfields Residence in London. Secure your stay now through amberstudent.com.